I am the most beautiful fish. My scales have different colors and they sparkle and glisten. Gliding throughout the entire ocean, there is no one like me. I am the only one. One day, while swimming around the ocean, a little fish came up to me. Hey, can I have one? Me give you one of my scales? No, leave me alone. These are my scales. While I proudly swim around in the ocean, I see other fish playing. Hey, can I play with you? No. No? Can I play with you? No. No one wants to play with me. I'm so lonely. I don't see any fish around. There's no fish coming to me. They don't want to come and see me. I'm so sad. Oh, there's the starfish. I'm going to swim over and talk to the starfish. Hey, none of the fish want to come play with me. They all move away from me. Come and see my beautiful shimmering, shining scales. Why don't they want to play with me? I don't know. But maybe you can go over there and ask the octopus. He might know. Bye. The starfish swims away. Oh, I'm going to go say hi to the octopus. Hey, octopus. I've heard chatter throughout the entire ocean. Not good. You refuse to give your scales away. You want to continue to be the only beautiful fish in the sea. Not good. My advice to you is to give your scales away. And then you will have friends and they will want to come and play. Huh? Me? Give my scales away? No, no, no. The octopus, well, it's fine. And he swims away. I am the color of the rainbow. Give away my scales? What good would that do? Well, I don't have any friends and they don't want to come and play with me. Okay. I must give my scales away. Hey, hi, bluefish. Oh, no, come. Do you want one of my scales? Yes, I do. Here you go. This is blue. This is purple. This is green. And this is yellow. Do you like one? Yes. Here you go. Would you like one? Yes, here you go. Oh, I'm so happy to see the glistening and the shimmers throughout all the fish in the entire ocean. They come and play. Me? I can come and join you? Yay! There's no different fish. We are all the same and we all glisten and shimmer. I am so happy.